You've just discovered your home has a flawed plumbing system and has major electrical issues. Hi everyone, Felix Altamirano here, and in today's video we'll be discussing an important topic many home buyers will have during the home buying process. Why is it important to get a home inspection? The first reason a home inspection is important is it will reveal critical information about the home condition of the property. If a buyer isn't comfortable with the findings of the home inspection, the buyer has the opportunity to back out of the contract. Secondly, the home inspection will identify any illegal additions or installations that have been done to the property. For example, it will reveal if any room or garage has been altered, which will have an immediate effect on the home value. Next, it will also detect any safety issue associated with the property conditions such as mold, carbon monoxide, and radon. Another reason why it should be done is that it offers as a negotiation tool. It affords you the opportunity to ask for repairs to the property, a reduction in the price, or a seller credit back to you. In addition, it allows you to project for any future costs. For example, the home inspection will assess the current condition of the systems inside the property, such as electrical and plumbing, and better prepare you for any replacement costs down the road. Finally, a home inspection will ultimately give you peace of mind, because ultimately it's going to protect your investment. As you can see, a home inspection serves many purposes, and it's recommended for your home purchase. Thank you for watching my video. For future real estate videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thank you so much.